y'all, welcome on back to another resource by Creators Spicy Tea. I am Allie, and today we are diving into something that saved my butt when I first started, and it's Telegram. It's always Telegram, but it's a little different this time. So when I first started, I was just on disability, and I was only making about $12,000 a year. So with very extremely limited income, when it came to starting my business in this, I didn't have a lot of funds to allocate towards it. So I had to find cheat codes, and I found a pretty good one. So when I very first started, I made a fantastic social and fan site posting calendar that I used religiously. It's now available on the Creators Spicy Tea storefront right there, but I leveled up once I found Telegram, and I cannot gatekeep this, so I gotta tell y'all. This resource is going to go over how to use Telegram as a social posting scheduler. Let's dive in. First things first, when creating your social scheduler using Telegram, you're going to need a new channel, a private channel. So let's look at how to do that again. We've gone over this in a couple resources, but we're going to go over it one more time. We're going to go to this pencil, and then you're going to hit new channel here. Then you're going to give the channel a name that will help you recognize this is for your content posting. Once you have that title input, we're going to hit this check mark here. Now, public or private channel? Which do you think it is? If you said private, you're totally right. We don't want it to be a public channel because we do not want people to be able to search this and find our unposted content. There are so many things that could go wrong there. So we are going to make it a private channel and check mark. Now, add subscribers. You're going to automatically have 0 members. You're going to need to only have 1 unless you are working with a team. If you are working solo, you are going to have 1 other subscriber than yourself on this channel, and that is going to be yourself. That's right. We have discussed in the past why it is so important to have 2 Telegram accounts, and this is another reason. If you are going to be using this as a social scheduler, you do need another account under a different phone number. You can get one offline. You don't have to get a totally new phone. Don't worry. And then you're going to make them an admin. The reason why we do this, just as a quick reminder, is to prevent losing access to our content in the case that one of our accounts is deleted. So this here is my second account, so I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click this blue go button. There we go. We now have our channel created and ready for us. First thing we're going to do with every single channel we make, we're going to go to the channel menu here by clicking the name. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to make ourselves an admin. Let's look at how to do that. We're going to go to the area where it says subscribers here. Click that. And you should only have those 2 subscribers, you and you. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our second account, and we're going to click the 3 dots on it here. And we're going to hit promote to admin. Then what can this admin do? Everything. Everything, check mark. All right. We do not now need to worry about making it private and restricted as we do with our subscription-based private channels, because we do want to be able to copy and download this content at a later time. So that is our channel all set up and ready to go. Now let's look at how the heck we're going to use this for scheduling. The main function that is going to make this Telegram channel so fantastic for us for social scheduling is their scheduling feature with their messages. Let's say you just want to shoot off a text post. You're going to type your text post here. Then we're going to go to this paper plane. You're going to press it and you're going to hold it. Don't just tap it. Press and hold. And you're going to press and hold until this menu pops up. As we can see, we have two options: schedule message, send without sound. The one we want is schedule message, so give that a click. And then this pops up with days and times that you can schedule your message. And if you're wondering how many messages you can schedule at one time in one channel, it is 100 messages. So that is a lot of content to get queued up. So we're going to pick a date and a time. We're going to do today in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, I'm going to get a message from Telegram that's going to give me a notification with that text post. And as we can see, it's now 12:48 and up popped this text post. Now, what if we want to add content to it? Because that's kind of the point of social promotion. It's going to be that same base routine, except first we're going to go to the paperclip. Click the paperclip and up will pop your gallery. From your gallery, select the specific image or video you want to send. Once you've selected the specific image you want, you can pull it open like here. Same process. Paper airplane. Do not tap it, press it, hold it. And with images and video, do have an option to send as a file. If you do not want your image compressed, send it as a file. But what we're focusing on again is this schedule message. Click that and then pick the date and time that you want to schedule for. Let's say today in 1 minute. How do we get in and find our scheduled messages before they post? See this calendar here? It only pops up when you have scheduled messages. What we do is we click that calendar, and that will pull us into all of our scheduled, prepped up, ready to go messages. As you can see in the scheduled messages, we still have this one scheduled here, ready to post. However many scheduled messages you have, they will all be in this area with this calendar. Again, that calendar won't be there if you don't have posts ready that are scheduled. So that's how we schedule the messages, right? Now, what the heck do we do with them? Let's look at a very specific format I have for scheduling my messages. First, I will add my content, and then I have a format for my caption that I follow. Looking here at my format, I have my content, then I will have my full caption ready to go. Then I have what platform or what portion of that platform. So for example, if that platform is Reddit, what subreddit is going in. Then all we have to do next is tap near the picture. Don't tap the picture. Tap next to the picture. And we're going to click Save to Gallery. That just saved the image back to your device. Then we're going to tap it again. And we're going to click Copy to copy the text. You're going to copy it. Then when you go to post, you simply paste, delete the platform and subreddit name, attach the content, and you're done. You just post away. Looking at some of the benefits of using this rather than simply like a spreadsheet or a calendar, this gives you a notification. This tells you when it's time to post at the exact time you schedule. I know the big question is, well, how do I know when the best times are? That's going to take some research. That's going to take some digging in. I can give you a quick tip of mine and a resource that I use just about every day. Almost every single day, I use this amazing site. It is Social Rise's subreddit, Traffic Stats and Analysis. I trust it completely for my Reddit posting. I will be sure to include a link to this in the description box, resource, or wherever you are finding this. As for scheduling for TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, what have you, It's really going to come down to you doing some in-depth research on best posting times and what you trust best. All right, that was a lot of information to throw at you all at once, but I hope it made sense. I really relied on this when I was first starting, and not even when I was first starting. There are specific subreddits that I want to post in at specific times. I want to make sure I'm online, awake, and active when I do so. So I manually post them still using this method. Give it a try. See if it works for you. Let me know if it does. This was Allie with Creator Spicy Tea, and I hope you're staying safe, sane, and absolutely flourishing in this crazy world of spicy content creation.